morning, everyone. How's your day going?
Good morning, Miss.
Good morning, Miss. I'm good, Miss. How about you?
Okay, awesome. Welcome back to our English class. Before we start, please make sure you have your notebook and a pen ready on your desk. Today, we are going to learn a very crucial skills that will make you master at reading. Hari ini kita akan fokus pada beberapa objektif atau target pembelajaran kita. By the end of the lesson, I want all of you to be able to do these 5 things. Okay? First, you can identify cause and effect relationship in any text. Second, you can find the main idea of the text. Third, you can locate specific information quickly. Jadi nggak perlu buang-buang waktu buat baca pelan-pelan dari awal sampai akhir kalau cuma cari info tertentu aja. And last, all of this will help you improve your reading comprehension skill. Are you ready, guys?
Ready,
Miss.
Okay. All right. Now, let's learn the main concept of today's lesson, cause and effect. Cause and effect is a relationship between two events. A cause is the reason why something happens, while an effect is the result that keep happens because of that reason. Jadi, in Indonesia, cause itu sebab dan effect itu akibatnya. Now, let's look at the example on the slide. Last night, there was heavy rain for several hours. As a result, many streets were covered with water and some areas experienced flooding. Let's analyze. The first event is heavy rain for several hours. This is the reason why something happened. So it is the cause. The second event is many streets were covered with water and some areas experienced flooding. This happened because of the heavy rain. So is this the effect? Notice that the sentence uses the signal phrase is as a result. This phrase helps us identify the effect. So remember, whenever you read a text, ask yourself two questions. Why did this happen? Is for cause, and what happened because of it is an effect. If you can answer those two questions, you can easily identify cause and effect relationship in a text. Now you may ask, gimana sih caranya kita tahu kalau itu kalimat sebab akibat saat lagi baca teks yang panjang? The secret weapon is a signal word. Ini adalah kata petunjuk atau keyword. The writers use this word to give us clues. Let's look at the two columns on the slide. On the left is we have signal word for cause. We use because, since, as, and because of. For the effect is we use so, therefore, thus, and as a result. Please take a note of this word in your book, guys, because the letter in the quiz, you will need to spot this word. Okay, now let's see how these signal words work in a real sentence. Look at the first point. Because it rained heavily, the match was cancelled. Notice that the word because It is at the beginning. It tells us the reason why the match was cancelled. Now, look at the second sentence. Let's read it together. Many people threw garbage into rivers. As a result, the rivers become polluted.
Many
Many
people
people throw garbage into rivers. As a result, the rivers become polluted.
Okay, thank you, guys. In the sentence, where's the signal word? Siapa yang tahu?
As a result. As a result, bukan, Miss.
Ya, tuh. Tuh, Suha. Honestly, the signal word is at the beginning, and the second is as a result. Coba perhatiin bedanya. Because it's directly attached to cause, while a result introduces the effect. Paham kan perbedaannya? Jadi, ada pertanyaan dulu sebelum kita masuk ke bagian membaca teks. Okay. Next. Now that you know the concept of the cause and the effect, signal word. When you open a reading text or a storybook, don't just read blankly. You need a strategy. Ada 5 hal yang harus dicari di dalam teks. Pertama, find the main idea. Cari tahu ini teks sebenarnya lagi ngomongin tentang apa sih secara umum. Identify cause. Find the reason behind the events. Identify effects. Find the outcomes. Look for signal words. Circle or underline them if you find the signal words. Understand how events are connected. Connect the dots so you get the big pictures. So now let's practice our reading skills together. I need one student to read the paragraph on the slide. So who would like to read it for the class?
I want to try, Miss.
Okay, Mentira.
Study for an exam. Rina had an English exam the next week. She studied hard every day and reviewed her notes carefully. Because she spent a lot of time studying, she understood the lesson better. As a result, she felt confident during the exam. She answered most of the questions correctly and got an excellent score. Therefore, her teacher praised her for her hard work.
Okay, thank you for reading, Mentira. Now, keep this text in mind because we are going to answer some question about it on the next slide. Now, let's answer this question based on the text that Mentira just read. Because the first question, what is the text about? Who wants to answer? Apa deh?
I want to answer number 1, Miss.
Okay.
The text is about Rina studying for an English exam.
Yes, correct. Thank you, Desi. The second question, why did Rina understand the lesson better? Who wants to ask? Who wants to answer? Sorry.
Miss, maybe, Miss.
Boleh.
The answer is because she studied hard every day and reviewed her notes carefully.
Yes, correct. Thank you, Mehdi. Third question, what happened because Rina studied hard? Who wants to ask? Suhade.
Number berapa, Miss? Sorry.
3.
Number 3, what happened because Rina studied hard, ya, Miss?
Yeah.
She understood the lessons better and felt confident during the exam.
Yeah, correct. Thank you, Suha. Question number 4. What was the result of her confidence and preparation? Who wants to ask?
I want to try, Miss.
Okay. Mentira, boleh?
The answer number 4 is she answered most of the question correctly and got an excellent score.
Yes. Good. Okay, question number 5. What did the teacher do? Who wants to ask?
I want to answer, Miss.
Okay.
Number 5, the teacher praised her for her hard work.
Okay. Great. Correct. And the last question. Which signal word are used in the text? Who wants to ask the last question?
Suha, Miss.
Boleh.
Number 6 ya, Miss?
Ya, terakhir.
Signal words-nya ada because, as a result, and therefore.
Yeah, correct. Thank you for your answer, ya. Okay, next. So, cause and effect is a relationship between an event and the result it produces. In reading, understanding cause and effect helps students identify the main idea, find important details, and understand how events are connected. Signal words such as because, therefore, and as a result help readers recognize this relationship more easily. By identifying cause and effect in a text, students can improve their reading comprehension and gain a better understanding of the information presented. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you so much for your amazing participation. You guys did awesome. See you in the next session. Bye bye and have a good day. Thank you.
Thank you, Miss.